Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about advanced military technology and drones, you're in the right place. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss any of our latest videos. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most cutting-edge surveillance drones in the skies, the MQ-4C Triton. So, let's jump right in. The MQ-4C Triton is one of the most advanced unmanned aerial systems ever developed for the United States Navy, and it's quickly becoming a key player in modern surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Designed by Northrop Grumman, the Triton is a high-altitude, long-endurance drone that has taken the role of providing intelligence to military forces over vast areas of the ocean. Imagine a drone that can fly for up to 30 hours without needing to land. That's the MQ-4C Triton. It's capable of covering a massive area of around 2.5 times what its predecessor, the P-3 Orion, could handle. This incredible endurance allows the Triton to conduct constant surveillance and gather real-time intelligence, whether it's tracking ships, monitoring suspicious activities, or helping to detect submarine movements. The MQ-4C has a top operating altitude of 56,000 feet, which gives it an unmatched vantage point. This high-flying ability ensures that it stays well out of reach of most enemy radar systems, all while providing a wide surveillance area. What's even more impressive is the drone's ability to fly for long periods without sacrificing its sensor capabilities. Whether it's the multifunction sensor array or the radar system designed to detect even the smallest surface targets, the Triton has it all. What sets the MQ-4C Triton apart from other drones is its cutting-edge sensor suite. The multifunction sensor array MFSA is a radar system that can detect ships and submarines, even in rough weather or poor visibility. This technology is crucial for conducting maritime patrols, ensuring that the Navy can monitor vast stretches of ocean for any potential threats. But this isn't just a flying radar. The MQ-4C Triton is equipped with a variety of sensors and cameras that can gather real-time intelligence on all sorts of activities. From monitoring fishing boats to keeping an eye on enemy naval operations, the Triton is designed to handle it all, delivering high-quality data back to military analysts and decision-makers on the ground. Another standout feature of the MQ-4C is its autonomy. The Triton doesn't need a pilot to operate it directly. It's programmed to follow specific flight paths autonomously. This gives the aircraft the ability to fly long missions without human intervention, which is a huge advantage for reconnaissance operations where the drone may need to fly in remote or hostile environments. Of course, ground stations and onboard systems keep track of the drone's location and performance, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. And don't think this drone is just flying solo. The MQ-4C Triton is part of a networked environment that connects with other military assets, including manned aircraft, surface ships, and even other drones. This allows the Navy to create a highly integrated surveillance grid, covering vast areas of the ocean and giving commanders the ability to make informed decisions in real time. Whether it's performing anti-submarine warfare, safeguarding maritime shipping lanes, or assisting in search and rescue operations, the MQ-4C Triton can be used in a variety of missions. Its versatility and efficiency are what make it such an important tool in modern military operations. The reach of the MQ-4C is global. Its long-range capabilities allow it to operate from U.S. bases across the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans, and even deploy to international waters. This gives the Navy the flexibility to gather intelligence anywhere in the world, keeping a close eye on global shipping routes and potential areas of conflict.